Hey scientists and artists, I'm just showing you this stringing together strung board. It's kind of a makeshift one string instrument, kind of like a cello, but a little less sophisticated. So here's the basic setup. It's already come pre-strung with some 40-pound fishing line, which if you got it in a reel would look like this. It comes in various packages if you need to replace it. Nothing is particularly special about this. We happen to use the 40-pound test because it worked. You could use lighter weight strings. They'll give you different pitches for the same tension and effort, but the 40-pound test is working for us. The board itself is just a piece of wood. It has a screw on one end that fixes the string, and it's got a peg pegged into a hole on the other end so that you can cinch this down, tighten it up as you wish. The string is going to look a little bit loose at first. It's not going to do much for you because it's kind of tight to the board. So what we do is we create a bridge with these PVC couplings, and at first this is still going to be pretty loose. So I'm going to take this end here, pushing down on the peg and tightening it so that it stays fixed in here and is also allowing me to give it some tension on the string. And then I should be able to pluck the string. I could change the tension by twisting this peg. And I can also change things by moving these pieces of pipe around. So from that, you've got a few different variables you can fuss around with, and all kinds of experimentation in both music and science.